الله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء المرسلين محمد وأهل بيت الطيبين الطاهرين المعصومين سيما الإمام المنتظر الحجة الثاني عشر روحي وأرواح العالمين لتراب مقدمه الفداء أما بعد فقد قال الله سبحانه وتعالى في كتابه المجيد والفرقان الحميد بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ربي زدني علما صدق الله العلي العظيم اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد وأجل فرجهم. So last week we covered lesson number what I remember we covered lesson number
4, I think.
Yep. So we covered lesson number 4, and we're going to start lesson number 5 today.
That's right.
Okay, let me just share on the screen. Right. Well, let me just. It's a straightforward lesson, not that difficult. Right. Okay, sister. Right. Who's going to do this one first? Sister, can you start off with point number 1, please?
Sure. We're looking at page 48.
Page number 48, yes.
Yes.
So this lesson is about the doer of a verb, that if the doer of the verb comes before the verb, then the verb has to correspond to the doer. So, for example, in a nutshell,
yeah,
if it was a tullabu, if tullab came in the beginning, sentence, then it will be a tullabu
dhahabu.
dhahabu. And if the verb came first, then it will be dhahaba at-tullabu.
Okay.
So basically, when it's a verbal sentence, we start with the singular form of the verb, irrelevant of what the noun is. But if it's a nominal sentence, then it should follow what the noun is. Am I right?
Exactly, that is correct. So there's a nominal sentence and a verbal sentence. So you see here, at-tullabu wa dhahabu. Tullab is a nominal sentence. Tullab is plural. The verb is also corresponding in the plural format, dhahabu. At-talibatu is plural feminine. Dhahabna is corresponding at-talibatu. But when the verb comes, you can have a singular verb with a plural noun. Singular verb with a plural noun. So that's the whole theme of this lesson. Go ahead, Sister Ida.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum, everybody. In this lesson, we learn the following. The file, the subject of a verbal sentence. We have already learned that in Arabic, there are 2 types of sentences, nominal and verbal. The nominal sentence commences with a noun, and the verbal sentence commences with a verb. The subject of a verbal sentence is called file. Example, Dhahaba Bilalun. Bilal went. The file is marfu. The file can be a pronoun also. Example, Dhahabu, they went. The file is the waw. Dhahabta, you went. The file is ta. Dhahabna, we went. The file is na. Note that in dhahabat tullabu, the students went. The verb dhahaba has no waw at the end because dhahabu means they went. And if we say dhahabut tullabu, it means they, the students, went. This is not correct because there cannot be 2 files for a verb. Okay, that makes sense. But we can say at-tulabu dahabu. Here, at-tulabu is the mubtada, and the sentence dahabu, they went, is khabar. The same applies to the third person feminine example. The girls went, dahabatil banatu, or al banatu dahabna. Learn this rule. That's the rule you just taught us. Nominal sentence, at-tulabu dahabu, and then at-talibatu dahabna. Verbal sentence, dahabat tulabu, dahabat talibatu. I've done point 1. Sheikh, you want me to continue or you ask somebody else?
Huma, can you read point number 2, please?
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Number 2, the maf'ul bihi, the object. The maf'ul bihi is mansub. Example, Fataha al-walidu al-baba. The boy opened the door. Here, al-baba is the maf'ul bihi, and so it is mansub. Here are some more examples. Ra'aytu Hamidan. I saw Hamid. Salati or salatul mudiratu Zainaba. The headmistress asked Zainab. Sharaba rajulu al-ma'a. The man drank water. Sala al-waladu o ummahu. The boy asked his mother. Note that the last example, the maf'ul bihi is and so it takes the a ending, and the pronoun who is not part of ummahu. Here are some more examples of this kind. Raita betika. I saw your house. Here, beta plus ka. Fatahat talibu kitabahu. Student opened his book. Kataba plus hu. Maf'ul bihi can be a pronoun. Example, Ra'aytu Bilalan wa salatuhu. I saw Bilal and asked him. The noon of the tanween is followed by a kasra. If the next word commences with the hamzatul wasi, example, hamzatul wasal, example, Shariba Hamidun ma'a. Shariba Hamidun unil ma'a. Here, if the kasra is not added, it is difficult to pronounce the letter combining NL. This is called altifa.
Iltiqa sakinain. So iltiqa sakinain means when two silent letters come together.
This is called altiqa'u sakinain, combination of two vowelless letters. Whenever such a combination occurs, it is removed by inserting a kasra between them. Here are some more examples. Sala Bilalun ibnahu. Bilal asked his son. Samia Faisalun azana. Faisal heard the azan. Continue.
Sister Jazakallah, is that clear so far with you? Sister Tahira, Sister Shabnam, Sister Huma, is that clear?
Yes.
Yes, thank you.
Right, okay. Sister Shabnam, can you come on the mic?
Yeah. Number 4, we have learned earlier that most Arabic words have only 3 letters, which are called radicals. The first letter is called the first radical, the second is called the second radical, and the third is called the third radical. as in kataba. The ka is the first radical, the ta is the second radical, and the ba is the third radical. I guess it's root word, right? Notice that in the Madi, the first and the third radicals have fatha. The second radical may have fatha, kasra, or dhamma. The examples: dhahaba, he went; dakhala, he entered; kharaja, he left; sharaba, he drank; fahum,
Fahima.
for fahima. Okay, he understood. Is that what it means?
Yep, he understood. Yep.
And kabura is
He became old.
he became old. Okay, is that how we get kabar then?
No, that's khabar is different. Khabar is
No,
news.
no, as in the grave.
No,
That's
khabar is different. No, that's with qaf. That's with two.
With the qaf. Okay.
Yeah. Right.
Do you want me to read the vocab?
Yes, please.
Yeah. Kasara, he broke. Sami'a, he heard. Fahima, he understood. Shariba, he drank. Hafidha, he memorized. Daraba, he beat. Dakhala, he entered. Akala, he ate. Ghasala, he washed. Qatala, he killed. Khubzun, bread. Jayidan, well. Inabun, grapes. Mauzun, it's banana, not banana, right? Tinun, fig. Fajrun, dawn. Jawabun, answer. Swalun, question. Hayatun, snake. Baqalun, grocer, the grocer, or grocer, sorry. Qasan, stick. Kahwatun, coffee. Dukkanun, shop. And the kinun is the plural of it. Saburatun, writing board.
Excellent. Okay, let's start now. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Ad-Darsul Khamisu, the fifth lesson. Right, I think let's bring all of you. Okay, Sister Tahira,
Yes.
I want you to become Mudarris. Sister
Okay.
Huma, I want you to become Hamid, and Sister Huma, I want you to become Hamid and Ali. Sister Huma, you become Hamid and Ali.
okay.
And Sister Shabnam, you can become Hashim and Abbas.
Okay, thanks.
Go ahead. Bismillah.
Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Al-Mudarrisu. Man fataha bab al-fasli. Who opened the door of the classroom?
Question before you move on forward.
Yes.
Man fataha bab al-fasli. Who is the doer and where is the object?
The object is bab.
Correct.
And the doer is man.
Correct.
Or is mustatir?
Yes, it's fataha in fataha, the pronoun huwa, which is mustatir, hidden, is referring back to man. That is correct. So man is a nominal sentence. Man is a noun. So it's a nominal sentence. Man is the subject. Fataha bab al-fasli is the verbal sentence coming as the predicate. So verbal sentence coming as the predicate for man, which is the subject.
Okay. So the nominal sentence is bab al-fasli?
No, man. Man is from man because a nominal sentence contains two parts, subject and predicate. So the subject is man. Fataha bab al-fasli is the predicate.
Okay, the whole thing, yeah.
Yes, that's right.
All right. Thank you.
Sister, who's going to answer? Hamid?
Yeah, Hamidun.
Yep.
Ana fatatuhu. I opened it.
What did you open?
I opened the door.
So why? So who is referring to? So it's a pronoun, correct? So a pronoun who referring to the door. Why is it who used? Why can I not use ha?
Because Baba is a masculine.
Excellent. Correct. Continue, Sister Zaira.
She's also, oh, sorry. Waman fatahan nawafida. And who opened the windows?
Ana fatatuna.
Ana.
Ana fatatuha. I opened the window.
Why is it now feminine? Ana fatahtuha.
It is a feminine.
Why is it feminine?
Because the window is feminine.
Why? Why windows are feminine? We did this.
What?
All plurals of non-living
Okay.
are treated as singular, feminine.
Feminine. Okay.
Yeah. So nafata. So all nouns, plurals of non-living or objects are treated as singular, feminine. So we use the singular ha with it. Ana fatahtu. I opened it. Tahira, continue.
Yes. Man kasara hadal maktaba. Who broke this desk?
Correct.
Anta kasartahu ya Hashim? Did you break it, O Hashim? Oh, yeah.
Tahira.
Yes.
Question for you. Man kasar hadha al-maktab. So
Yes.
hadha al-maktab, what type of, what would be the translation of hadha al-maktab?
This is a desk.
Nope.
No, there's an
This desk.
Excellent.
desk.
Oh,
This
this desk. Okay, okay.
Because
This
whenever,
desk.
yeah, so whenever there's alif lam after hadha dhalika, there's a noun, so it becomes part of the, it becomes one sentence. Hadha al-maktab, we would translate this
This
desk.
desk.
And for example, if alif lam wasn't there, it will be hadha maktab, hadha maktaban.
But then I thought when there is a pointer like ishara, it always has an al in front of the word, not a noun or whatever.
No, for
Not
example,
always.
no,
Oh, okay.
remember book one? Hadha kitabun, hadha mindilun, remember?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Sorry, yeah.
So you
I don't
will,
know why I was.
so normally the subject and predicate will be hadha, and maktabun will be the predicate, as long as there's no alif lam. But if there's alif lam, then it becomes one phrase together.
So it's a whole thing is a predicate.
Yes.
And the subject would be man.
Yes.
And the object is kasara.
No.
The desk. Sorry, the desk.
Yes, that's right.
Yeah, I got it. Thank you.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Next one. Sister Shabnam Hashim.
La inni ma aksartuhu. No, I did not break it. It here is the desk. Kasartuhu, right? It says. It's a feminine.
Right, yeah.
It's your Tyra.
Okay, sorry. Arja'a Zakaria wa Hamzatu wa Uthmanu min Makkata. Zakaria and Hamza and Uthman have returned from, no, have Zakaria, Hamzatu and Uthman returned from Makkah?
La raja'u. No, they haven't returned.
Sister
Oh,
Huma.
I'm saying
Oh, Hamidun
Abbas.
la ma raja'u. No, they have not come back or not returned. Then,
Okay, sorry, I'm okay. Ya Ustad, O teacher, kharajat tullabul jududu wa dhahabu ilal mudiri. O teacher, the new student wa dhahabu ilal mudiri, and the new student and
Kharaja. You haven't translated kharaja yet.
yeah, so I'm trying to the new student returned
No,
and
kharaja exited. The new student.
left. Sorry, the
Yeah.
new student left, and the habu, and they went to the principal headmaster.
Excellent. So you see here, in kharaja is a singular verb. The
Yes.
tullabu is plural. So the new students exited or left. Was dhahabu. Now here, because the people who we're talking about have been mentioned before, so that's the reason why now we change the actual verb from singular to plural. Dhahabu ila al-mudiri. So in dhahabu, hum is the fa'il, the doer, referring back to at-tullabu al-jududu. Is that clear?
Yes, but because it's in the middle of the sentence, the verb becomes plural now.
Yeah, that's right. Excellent. Continue.
أفهمت درس يا طلحة? Did you understand the lesson, O Talha?
Na'am fahimtuhu jayidan. Yes, I understood very well.
أكتبت الأجوبة يا فيصل? Did you write the exam, O Faisal?
La makatabtuha. No, I did not write it.
لماذا? Why?
la annana ma fahimtu as-salatuhu. Salata. La inni ma fahamtu fahimtu ila salata.
Al-as'ilata.
Al-asalata.
Yep, correct.
No, I did not, because I did not fahimta aslata.
I did not understand li'annani, because I did not understand
the lesson.
The questions. Su'al and as'ila is the plural. Questions.
I did not understand these questions.
Correct. Tahira?
أحفظت سورة الفجر يا إبراهيم? Did you memorize Surah Al-Fajr, O Ibrahim?
Sister Shabnam?
Na'am. Hafiztuha wa hafiztu Suratul Tini aidan. Yes, I understood it, and I understood the chapter of Surah Tin, chapter Tin, very well. Aidan, right? I have a question.
Memorized Hafiztu, or is it understood?
Surah Tin.
Hafiztu means I understood, I memorized.
Memorized, okay.
Oh, so even the one above is memorized. I memorized the surah. I just had a little question with the one with Faisal. It says li'annani ma hafiztul al-isla. So no,
al-as'ilata.
Al-as'ilata. What a tongue twister. So no, I did not understand
The
The
question.
question. Okay.
Plural, the questions. Plural.
I didn't know. Okay, got it.
Okay. Sister Homa, question number 1.
Oh, okay. Answer the following questions. Anna Zahabat Tolabul Jududu. Where did the new students went?
Now, question. Why is al-jududu plural?
Because it's the adjective al-tolabu, which is
Excellent.
plural itself. So this is also plural.
Correct. Answer? What's the answer to that question? Where did the new students go?
Al-judud tolabun.
At-tullabul no. So you start from here. Kharaja. Look how at-tullabul judud wa dhahabu ilal.
Mudiri.
Read the Arabic, please.
Where is it? I'm just trying to look at which.
It's on the screen.
Okay. Kharajat tolabul jududu wa zahabu ilal mudiri.
Translation.
The new students exited and went to the administrator.
Cool.
or principal.
Okay, cool. Very good. I want you to change it now. Instead of saying kharaja at-tullabu al-jududu, now I want you to change the sequence. Say the new students, they exited and they went to the principal. How would you say it then? How would the verb change?
At-tulabu jududu kharajta wa.
No.
Oh, no.
Kharaj.
At-tulabu al-jududu wa zahabu
No.
ilal
You missed out kharaja. What would it become? If at-tullabu al-jududu comes at the beginning of the sentence, then would the verb remain singular or plural?
It will be singular.
No.
It is coming, you're putting in the end, right?
Yeah, if you put it at the end, then the verb has to correspond to the doers.
Al-jududu zahabtum.
You have missed out. No, it's so kharaja. Who is kharaja? What does kharaja mean?
Exit.
Who exit?
The students.
Is it third person, first person? Who?
Oh, okay. If I'm saying at-tulabu.
No, if I say kharaja, who is it referring to? Kharaja by itself. What does kharaja mean by itself?
Exit?
Who exited? I, we, she?
No, they.
No, he.
It's singular.
Singular.
Okay.
First person.
Kharajahu.
No,
Kharajahu.
no, it's not kharajahu. Look on the screen. Kharaja means he exited.
Okay.
But at-tullabu al-jududu is coming after. So it'll be now the singular verb, but the doer is plural. So this is allowed. But when the doer at-tullabu al-jududu comes in the beginning of the sentence,
Kharajna al-mudiri.
kharajna is wrong. Kharajna is they all females went.
Okay.
It's look at it. Dhahab.
Kharajahum at-talib. At-talibu
One second.
al-jududu.
It's someone. Calm down. Let's relax. Now, dhahabu.
Yes.
Which form is that?
Zahabu.
Yes.
It's Zahabu is you. Or they.
Exactly. Say they all went to the principal. Yes. Dhahabu.
Yeah.
So the waw, alif and the waw, it shows they all, correct?
Correct.
Now, kharaja is he exited. And how do you make that plural? They all boys exited.
It will be kharaju.
Excellent. You said kharajahum, you said kharajna, you said kharajta, but you didn't say kharaju.
Kharaju.
So if
al-jududu kharaju ila al-madiri.
وَذَهَبُوا إِلَى الْمُدِيرِ, correct. So
Kharaju wa ذهبوا إلى المدينة.
Correct. So what's happened here, now this is really important, is you need to understand that whenever, it's a bit too thick, looks ugly.
No, but we can see it all right.
So what's happening is that kharaja, no, it's too bad. So kharaja is a verb. Now this verb itself, it's singular. And with a singular verb, if you're going to have names of individuals who are doing the action, that's permissible. So you can have the plural. So the doer is a plural, but the verb is singular.
If it comes after the noun, then it has to be plural too.
Exactly. That's the whole lesson itself. So if at-tullabu al-judu comes at the beginning of the sentence and the verb comes after it, then the verb has to correlate with who is referring to, which is a plural masculine. So it would be at-tullabu al-jududu kharaju wa dhahabu. Can you see dhahabu is plural because at-tullabu al-jududu has been mentioned already before.
So we'll just add the kharaju in the middle and say the whole sentence.
Exactly.
At-tulabu al-jadudu kharaju wa zahabu ila al-mudiri.
Excellent. Is that clear now?
Yeah.
Now I'm going to do something else as well. Sorry, the reason why I have to do this is that it helps everyone and yourself.
No, it's helping me too. So.
Now, if I change dhahabu, and if I said, for example, ignore the sentence. If after the verb dhahabu, I wrote at-tullabu al-jududu. So what will happen to this verb now?
If there was no kharaja in front.
Ignore kharaja, at-tullab. So at-tullab al-jududu. If we had a sentence which started from wa, and after the verb dhahabu, then doer at-tullabu al-jududu came. What will happen to the verb? What should happen to the verb?
At-tulabu al-jududu zahabu ila.
No. You missed the point. Dhahabu is plural at the moment, but if the verb
it will be zahaba.
Excellent. You got it. That's it. So if the at-tullabu al-jududu came after the verb, then it'd be wa dhahaba at-tullabu al-jududu ila al-mudiri.
Okay.
Is that clear now?
Yes, all singular.
Yes. Sister Tahira, Shabnam?
Yes, thank you.
Yes. From nominal sentence, it's becoming a verbal sentence.
Exactly. So when a verb comes at the beginning of the sentence, then the verb can remain singular and the doer can come in the plural. But when the noun is coming first, meaning the noun, then the verb has to correspond according to the noun. If it's feminine or masculine, singular or plural or dual itself. Right. That was good. Next one, Sister Shabnam. Afahima?
So did they understand Afahima? Talha to Darsu. The lesson. What's Talha?
Name of a person.
Oh, okay. So did they understand Talha, the lesson? Talha, did they understand? So isn't it Afahim is?
Nope.
So
look at it. Talha has a dhamm.
Afahim is like, did they understand? Did you understand?
What's happening today? Everyone's all over the place today. What's happening?
Sorry, I'm really confused with Talha is the name of the person.
Yeah. So
there's a question.
Okay.
So he's asking question.
Yeah. So so Afahima Talhatu ad-darsa, did Talhatu has a dhamma. So whenever a noun after a verb comes with a dhamma or a dhamma tanween, it's a doer of the verb. So did Talha understand
the lesson?
Exactly.
Did Talha understand the lesson?
Correct. Did
understand the lesson? So others to ya Talha. Naam fahimtu. Naam fahimtu. جيدا. Yes, and I understood it very well.
No, you missed the who.
No?
I understood very well what. You have to put the pronoun.
فهمته. I
Exactly.
understood it very well. Sorry. Yeah, the who is signifying the lesson.
Yes, excellent. Sister Tahira.
Yes. Ayya suratin hafiza Ibrahimu?
Which
surah
yeah.
which surah did you memorize?
Where is happening? Everyone's going to you today.
Which surah did he memorize, Ibrahim?
No. Which surah
surah did Ibrahim memorize? You're right, we're a bit lost today. Actually, the phone really turned me off, sorry.
Okay, Ay suratin hafidha Ibrahimu. Which surah did Ibrahim memorize? Correct.
This is a transitive verb. Right?
Yep, correct.
Yeah. Hafiza Ibrahimu Surat al-Fajri was Surat al-Tini.
Excellent. Hafidha Ibrahimu Surat al-Fajri was Surat al-Tini. Now, the other thing here is this. Can you see here Ayya suratin? Can you see the word ay, the noun?
Yes.
Ayya is coming with fatha.
Yeah, it's not ayyi, it's ayya.
Yeah, the reason why it's coming with a fatha, it's coming as, so what's happening? The object of the verb hafidha is coming in the beginning of the sentence.
Oh, so this became mansub then.
Yes, it's like iyyaka na'budu.
Okay.
So that's what I wanted to point out. Ayya suratin, which surah did Ibrahim memorize?
But in iya, it's iya. And
Yeah,
here
it
it's-
happened. It can come with a kasra or a fatha, that's fine.
Oh, okay. Okay, thank you.
Number 4, Tahira. Sorry, Sister Shabnam, not Shabnam, Sister Huma.
Man fatahan nafazi
An-nawafidha.
an-nawafiza. Man fatahan nawafiza.
Translation, who opened?
Who opened the window?
The door, the windows, yep.
Nafiza. So who opened the window?
How do you, so the answer, so Sister Huma, I'm going to tell you in English, you do the Arabic. Listen to this carefully. Here, ana fatahtuha means I opened it. Now, you cannot say that because you're asking the question in the third form. So you need to answer, you have to say, Ali opened the windows. So after
It's plural, right?
Yes.
Windows.
So after fataha, you need to put a doer and then have the windows.
Okay, fataha ali nafa nawafis.
Correct. Repeat that again.
It should be Aliyan, right? Because
Ali. No. How could we Ali?
No?
So listen, so Shabnam.
Oh, Nawafiza is the okay. Forget it. Forget what I
No.
just said.
No. You're staying in the mind. Why? Okay.
That's the doer. He's
Exactly.
the doer. Sorry.
Exactly.
The object is Nawafiza.
Exactly. So Sister Huma,
I understood my silly mistake. Sorry about that.
No, it's good. Making mistakes is a good thing because by making mistakes, it makes you more stronger and makes you realize your weak points, which is good. Sister Huma, answer it, please.
Fataha Ali al-Nawafis.
So Fataha Aliyun. Put a dhammatan.
Yeah, Aliyun an-Nawafis. Ali opened the window.
Ali opened the windows, correct. Right, Sister Tahira, I want you to do, how many are there? Yeah, Sister Tahira, you did 2 and Sister Shabnam does 2. Go ahead, quickly. Ya Allah.
Fataha aliyul fasla. So here we have to mark the correct and the cross.
Yep.
No, Ali did not open the class.
So incorrect.
Fataha aliyul nawafida.
Yep, Fataha Aliyun al-Wafida. Or that's correct. Number 2.
Ma raja'a Zakariya wa Hamzatu wa Uthmanu min Makkata.
Correct.
This is true.
Correct, that's right. Sister Shabnam, 3 and 4.
Okay. ما كتب فيصل فيصل الأجوبة. Oh my, sorry, I'm starting here. ما كتب فيصل الأجوبة لأنه لأنه ما فهم الأسئلة. So which book, which book did Faisal write?
No, kataba means wrote. Faisal did not write. Faisal did not.
Oh, it's a negative question.
Yeah.
Faisal did not write. He did not write it now.
No. Faisal did not. He did not write the answers.
Answers right now to it now.
No, there's no. Where's now? I can't see the word now.
لأنه
because he. لأنه means because.
Oh yeah, sorry. Because he did not understand the questions.
Correct.
And that's true, isn't it? Yes, it's true. Because he says لأنني ما فهمت.
Correct. أسئلة, correct.
Yeah.
Number 4.
And then ما كتب فيصل الأجوبة لأن قلمه مكسور. Faisal did not write the answers because his pencil broke.
His pen was broken.
His pen is broken. No, because he just didn't understand, so he didn't answer.
Correct.
So it's a false statement.
How much is there left? Okay, there's quite a bit of work. Okay, Sister Homa, Bismillah.
Read and remember.
Yep.
Al-Quranu qara'a at-talibul Qurana.
So what's happening? So qara'a at-talibu al-Qur'ana. Qara'a is the verb. At-talibu is
Al-Qurana. Al-talibu al-Qurana. So qara'a, he read. The student read the Quran.
So where is the doer and where is the object?
Okay, doer is talibu. Qara would be the doer.
No, qara is the verb. Qara is he read.
He read.
Yep.
So talibu is the doer, and
correct.
he read Quran. Al-Qurana, that's the object.
Correct. Next one.
Al-Qahwatu, coffee.
Correct.
Shariba Zafu al-Qahwata. The guest drank coffee.
Correct.
Ad-Darasu Kitab al-Mudarrisul Darasa.
Kataba al-Mudarrisu.
Darasu ad-Darasa. The teacher wrote the lesson.
Correct. So who's the doer and what's the object?
That doer is al-Mudarrisu, and the lesson ad-Darasa is the object.
Excellent. And the final one?
Kataba is the verb.
Correct.
Al-Babu. Fatahat Aminatul Baba.
Correct.
So Amna opened the door.
Excellent. Who opened? Who's the object and what's the verb?
Fatahat is the verb. Amnatu is the subject. Al-Baba is the object.
Excellent. Is that clear for everyone?
Yes.
Right. How much have I got left? 4, 5, 6. Okay, this is going to be divided over 2 lessons. There's quite a bit of exercises to do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this last exercise then. So this exercise will be the last one we're going to do today. So Sister Bahira, can you start off this exercise? So everyone will do 3 each, pretty much. So it says draw one line. On the file and 2 lines under the object in the following sentence. Vocalize the last letter. Go ahead.
Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Kasarat taflul qalami.
Nope.
So the file.
Incorrect. Kalami.
Sorry. Kalama. Kasarat taflu al-kalama.
At-tiflu.
Oh my goodness. Sorry. Kasarat tiflu al-kalama.
Correct.
So the
Translation.
file is the taflu, will have 1 line.
Yes, because the alif lam. So that's right.
And then the maful bihi is al-kalama.
Correct.
So that'll have 2 lines.
Yes. Next one.
Kasalat Aminatul Mindila. Amina washed the handkerchief.
Correct.
So the file would be Aminatu, will have one line under it.
Correct.
And Al-Mindila is the maful bihi. It'll have 2 lines underneath.
Correct.
The object. Akala Usamatul Inaba.
Yep.
Wa akalat zawjatul
Zawjatuhu.
zawjatuhu.
Tuhu.
Okay, I don't see the dhamma.
Yeah, there's no dhamma because they want you to put the correct harakat. That's the reason why.
Oh, they do. Okay. So Usama ate the grapes, and his wife ate the banana.
Correct.
So here, Usama is the file.
Yeah.
And then Inab is the maful bihi. So the Inaba would have 2 lines and Usama would have 1 line under it.
There's no need about talk about the lines. Just tell me which was file and maf'ul. That'd be fine without the lines.
All right. Okay. And so Zawjatu is the file.
Yep.
And maful bihi is the mouse.
Excellent. Sister Shabnam, numbers 4, 5, and 6.
Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sharibatil baqaratul ma'a. So baqaratu is the subject.
Yep.
The doer, and ma'a is the object.
Correct.
Baqaratul sharibat. So
the cow drank.
The cow
drank.
The cow drank the water.
Correct.
حفظ Hamzatu al-Quran.
Excellent.
So Hamza has memorized the Quran.
Excellent.
Hafizatu is the subject or the doer, and Hamzatu is the doer, and Hafizatu is the verb, and al-Quran is the object.
Correct.
And then Darabat Fatimatu bintaha. Bintaha.
Correct.
Is it a fatha? Yeah.
Correct.
Bintaha. So Darabat. Hello. So Fatima is the doer. Bintaha is her sister.
Bint, daughter.
Bintuha, sorry, is the object.
Correct.
And Darabat is the verb. Can I ask what the meaning of that verb is?
So Fatima hit.
Hit, sorry. So Fatima hit her sister.
Her daughter.
Her daughter, sorry. Her daughter.
Okay. Qatalal rajul Rajulul Hayyati.
Al-Hayyati, how? Fatha or Dhamma. That's the only thing.
Al-Hayyata.
Correct?
Bil Hajri.
Bil-Hajari.
Bil Hajri.
Translation?
The man killed the snake with a stick.
With a rock.
With a rock. Hajri. So, Qatala is the verb, Rajulo is the doer, and Al-Hayyatu is the snake, is the object, and Bil Hajri, they're together.
Preposition.
That Bil Hajri, yeah, okay. Preposition, and he killed the snake with the stone.
Yep. Sami'a.
Samia Bilalan. Bilalun al-azana.
Correct.
Wa zahaba ilal masjidi.
Translation?
Bilal heard the azan and went to the mosque.
Correct.
Katabal mudarrisul darasa ala aspura.
Al-Saburati.
As-saburati. The teacher wrote the lesson on the blackboard.
Excellent. Sister Tahira, number 10. Jazakallah. Thank you for that.
Fatahal Bakalun.
Bakalun, no, that's alif.
Sorry. Al-Bakalu. Fatahal Bakalu ad-dukana fi sa'ati taminati. So the greengrocer opened the
shop.
At 8
o'clock.
At 8 o'clock. Yeah.
Excellent. Jazakallah. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad wa ajil farajam. So exercise 5. 6.
Just sorry, before you go, we didn't say what were the doers and objects in the last 3 ones. I just want to make sure.
Okay, sorry. So
no, the last 3 we didn't.
So Sami'a Bilalun.
Okay.
Al-Adhana. Bilal is a doer. Dhahaba is the maf'ul. Wa dhahaba ila al-masjidi. There's nothing else. Kataba al-mudarrisu. That's the fa'il. Al-darsa is the maf'ul bihi. Al-sabura is a preposition.
So the mudarrisu is the doer. The
yes.
Ad-darsa is the object.
Yeah, correct.
And al-sabura is just a preposition. Okay. Sorry,
No, it's fine. And the last one, Fatah al-Baqalu ad-Dukana fi sa'ati thamina. Al-Baqalu is the doer. Ad-Dukana is the object.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then again, the last part is the preposition.
Exactly. Right. Okay.
Thank you so much. Sorry.
Ali Muhammad wa ajil farajam. Jazakallah. So please finish off these exercises, and then inshallah 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11 and 12 we'll do that inshallah in class next week inshallah.
So we have to do exercise 5 and 6, did you say?
All the exercise from 5 to 10, 12, 5 to 12, please. 12. So we'll do 5 to 12, and also we'll do lesson number 6 next week inshallah.
Inshallah. Thank you so much. Thanks for your patience. I'm constantly sorry about that.
No, that's fine. The thing is that what you should do as well, if you 3 sisters can meet up together on Zoom or during the weekdays or something, revise the lessons with yourself, even try to prepare lesson number 6, go through the lesson and see how much you can solve yourselves. So that'd be a good thing to do as well.
Inshallah.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
So inshallah, see you the same time. Inshallah, fi manillah.
Thank you.